me think about what I'm going to talk about on this one. All right, so what am I doing here?
I have no idea.
I don't either. Safety rope, yeah.
You can start off like that.
All right, YouTube, Wendell Lee Well Services here again. Coming back at you with video about ropes, safety ropes. Yeah, not for climbing mountains or climbing trees, but hooking them onto your well pump. Do I need them? Do I not need them? Gonna go over that with you today. So, first things first, obviously you got a pump. If it's a submersible pump, it's gonna be hung down in a hole like this. You're gonna have a wire coming out over here. And then you're wondering, okay, well, what if the pump breaks off? How do I get it? Or if something crazy happens and the pump falls, what's gonna protect it? Do I need a safety rope? I'd be willing to bet that probably on, I don't know, at least 90% of the service calls we go on, they don't have a safety rope on their pump. Number one, it either wasn't installed from the beginning and nothing's happened, or number two, if you've got a very large pump that's installed, safety rope's not going to be able to support that weight anyway, so there's not really a whole lot of point in putting one in there. But on the smaller pumps, you really don't need one. If you want to put one, that's fine, but they tend to just kind of get in the way more than they do anything. A lot of people that put them in, obviously, turn this over here where you can see it. You'll have the wire coming out here. They'll run the rope out of the access hole, which is fine. But you got to remember to treat the safety rope just like a wire. All right, it's got to be taped, or it's going to fall down, and you're going to have to pull it all out when you pull the pump out. It's not going to come out with a pipe. That can wad things up at the bottom and cause a big mess for you when you're pulling the pump out. And then, for the most part, I would be willing to bet that 95 to 100% of professional well contractors don't even use a safety rope. The reason being is, people that know what they're doing have experience of knowing how to install pumps that don't break off, or to use quality products that aren't going to, 10, 15 years down the road, break and have a hole in the pipe, or a pump hanging and, end up losing your pump or something like that. So I know I'm kind of rambling on. A lot of people do ask me this question, do you install a safety rope? No, we don't. We tend to use our wire as a safety rope on the pumps that are small enough to warrant having a safety rope. Generally what we'll do is, we'll have our wire coming out, and we'll have a little bit of excess wire, and we'll actually tie a knot in the wire, so if something happens, that knot's not going to slide through the well seal, and you can actually get it that way. The point of this video is if you've done a quality job installing the pump's not going to break, and you're not going to have to worry about a safety rope. So if I were putting my own pump in, I would be more concerned about how the pump is connected, and how is the pump being installed. So I'm gonna quit rambling on here. Is it a bad idea to install it? No, but in our experience, they just tend to get in the way, versus providing more good for them. So just wanted to throw that out there. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos coming up.